Are you ready for the heat? Because with that comes spring and summer maintenance. I'm TJ with Eco Elements, and we want to talk about what you need to do to maintain your home in spring and summer. First thing we want to talk about is the air conditioner. You should have a tune-up done on that before you start to turn that system on to make sure that everything is running properly. With that being said, there's two things that you can do on your own as well that will help with that efficiency. Number one, change that filter in your furnace. The second thing you're going to do is go outside to that coil, that little condensing unit that sits outside. You're going to do two things. The first thing you're going to do is go outside and make sure there's no weeds or debris around that unit. That's going to be fallen leaves from the fall. That's going to be weeds that are starting to grow around that, or vines. Make sure everything is cleared out around that unit. The second thing you're going to do is take a hose to it. You want to wash that condenser coil all around and make sure there's no dirt or debris or leaves or you name it built up around that. The more we can help that unit breathe, the more efficient it's going to be for you in summer. The next thing you want to do is caulk your windows. Go around your house, take a look at your windows, make sure there's no gap or separation between that caulk and that window. If there is, that's where air can move around that window in and out of your living space, making it less efficient. Let's move on to your water heater. Every spring or fall, depending on when you choose, you want to drain that water heater tank completely. That's going to take out any sediment buildup. That's going to help the lifespan of that water heater and help it be more efficient. The last thing I want you to look at is your attic. Make sure your insulation is at proper depths. If it's not, that obviously needs to be addressed to help with your cooling bills in summer as well as your heating bills in the winter. We hope this information was useful. Eco Elements is here to help your home be more energy efficient no matter the season. For more tips and tricks, follow Eco Elements on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.